I'm just saying it looks like there's pastry on the side and then there's a little cap on top.
It's a thicker consistency, less gravy.
My turn, so I'm eating all of it. We're on a double-decker bus, double-decker bus, double-decker bus. Welcome to Leith, where we had gone here to eat some breakfast at Mimi's over here. Yeah, apparently it's a very good bakehouse, good baked food and a good breakfast, so he came here to check it out. They call tomato sauce ketchup here too. I thought ketchup was an American thing. I ordered, as expected, the gourmet breakfast, their big breakfast. It's got so much stuff in it, I'm just so full. But I have haggis, so I'm trying haggis for the first time today. It better be good. She might try some.
Maybe.
Holy crap, look at that French toast. That French toast is the same size as my gourmet breakfast. But it's awesome because I have French toast, I have bacon, and that is haggis.
Never really had a savory French toast before with sausages and tomato. That's pretty good actually, all mixes together with maple syrup. Yeah.
There you go. We are trying haggis for the first time. Quintessentially a Scottish food. It is mostly just offal and wrapped in the skin case and then cooked that way. And it's often served traditionally on a lot of random things. But here we go. That's nice. Very flavoursome. A lot of spices and a lot of flavours mixed together in this. I like it. That was good. I'm really full now. I have a lot to eat. I think she's pretty full too.
Let's keep walking.
So now we're just gonna explore this area, walk along the water, or this river thingamabob, walk on the road, get run over. Yeah, and walk it all off. But I do highly recommend trying haggis. She doesn't like it. I really enjoyed it, but whoever comes here, don't get scared of the offal. Seriously, just try it. It's worth the try. Alright, time to head back to the city, go to the hotel, grab some stuff, and then go on a hike. Up there, don't we?
All the way up there.
Thank God that we come from UNSW. We're used to walking our steps. This is a disappointment.
Ew.
So what we hiked up is to the top of something called Arthur's Seat in Edinburgh. Not too sure why it's called Arthur's Seat, but it's a pretty cool spot.
Yeah.
It's a little chilly, a little foggy, but it's pretty cool. It's a massive panorama of the whole city. It's epic. Alright, I think it's time to go back down. It's getting dark, getting cold. Let's get back down. I'm gonna put my camera away because it's a bit dangerous walking down these slippery slopes. Alright, it was really cold up there, so we came down and got some ramen for dinner. Eating Asian food in a non-Asian city. This is like the second time we've had Asian food. No, third time if you include those pot noodles. I don't know what you did, Peggy. Why? All my British haggis. Alright, back from dinner. Pretty full. It was good ramen, filled me up, warmed me up. It was good. For the last meal in Edinburgh, pretty satisfying. Yeah, so tomorrow we're heading away from Edinburgh. We're going to be driving down south to Lake District, where we're going to hike a bit more and see the beautiful scenery of the UK. My top 3 things that I like about Edinburgh. Number 1, it's very pretty. So you have all the architecture around here. You have all the very nice buildings, very old buildings. The alleyways are like amazing, like to explore. Number 2, there is an amazing hike that's right next to Edinburgh, and you get there by just walking there. That's awesome, and it's absolutely amazing hike. I love it. And 3, the food here is great. Haggis, I love it. Black pudding, I love it. Snacks, I love it. It's to die for. Oh, whiskey, I love it too. Peggy, what do you think?
I don't know. It's good. It's very old and yeah, the food's good. Not the haggis though.
Not a fan of haggis, but I am. Alright, so clocking out for tonight. See you guys all tomorrow for the drive down. I like the pastry though. I wish it had our pie filling to this pastry. Which is a Scottish soda. It's like an orange soda. Can be found in Scotland. It's nice. Creamy soda.